astronomical quest is North America's most famed astrologer, Mr. Puru Kushal.
You are leading a good life with honesty and dedication and devotion towards God. Your forefathers are very happy. Loka samasta sukhino santu.
And welcome to a special edition of Astro Guide. I'm your host Shruti Mathur, and joining me in our studios is North America's most famed astrologer, Mr. Puru Kushal. Welcome to the show, Mr. Kushal.
I'm very happy to be here.
We're very happy to have you.
Thank you.
Now, this is a special episode because we will be celebrating Diwali in the coming week.
Yes.
So we wish everybody out there a very, very happy Diwali. And we would
Today is the first day when the puja starts for prosperity yoga.
Yes, Mr. Kushal. Can you tell us a little bit more about prosperity yoga? How did you come up?
Yeah, I got it when I was in a mess, and I got it from Bhrigu Samhita Granth. It was ordered by Lord Shiva to be told by Lord Bhriguji to me. So at that time, I will explain a little bit in Hindi. ये समुद्र मंथन हुआ था जो भारतीय संस्कृति को जानते हैं. समुद्र मंथन जिस वक्त देवी देवताओं ने मिलकर किया तो उस समय पहले तो निकली जहर, पॉइजन. There was a churning of sea by divine persons and devil persons together. For prosperity they made an agreement. So how to get the prosperity to the earth? So at that time the churning of the sea, first came out was a poison. Had it fallen on this earth, it would have been barren land like other planets. Many planets, they don't have a life. But that one, then everybody prayed to Lord Shiva to handle it. So Lord Shiva drank that and held it in his neck. That's why his neck became blue and he was named as a Neelkantha also. Thereafter, then again they continued. Then the goddess of prosperity, she developed from the ocean on a lotus flower. That was Mahalakshmi. And when she appeared, it was a brightness, it was a happiness all over immediately. Prior to that was a gloom. So it became into a very joyful mood. And that's the day it's called Rama Ekadashi. Rama is also Mahalakshmi's name. So it was Ekadashi, so that's why it's called, and it comes before Diwali, 5 days before Diwali. So on Rama Ekadashi day, Mahalakshmi appeared in the ocean of India, rather on earth. At that time there was no India, it was only earth. And she said she will select her maid or in whose house she will reside. And on Amavas day, Amavas means Puri Kali Raat, that's Deepavali. So now everybody was struggling how to do it, how to become handsome, and so that they were running around each other so that they can look better and she should come to them. Everybody wanted to have Mahalakshmi because prosperity, who doesn't want it? So on Deepavali day, she garlanded Lord Vishnu and she put her step on this earth. And then real prosperity started all of a sudden. It was just like a magic. Fruits, trees, and everything came up. So that way, then it comes Deepavali. Story of Diwali connected with Rama is a different story, but it's connected with the same event. We will discuss that sometime in next episode. Why it is related to Ramayana episode also. So this is the day, that's what I was told, if you want to get prosperity in your life, you have to start this prosperity yoga Anushtan, means fasting during daytime And in the evening, you are to take satvik food and do arti and do puja for Mahalakshmi. On these 4-5 days, Mahalakshmi is the main deity. You are to pray to your gurus also. You are to pray your deities also. But Mahalakshmi is like on Bhagavan Krishna Janmashtami. Lord Krishna is the deity. On Mahashivratri, Lord Shiva is the deity. On Guru Nanak Dev Ji's birthday, Guru Nanak Dev Ji is deity. So that way, it is it's a day when these days Mahalakshmi, and always keep a picture of Mahalakshmi. She's sitting on a lotus flower, because at home you should worship her. She should come and stay. So prosperity stays in the house. And prosperity is not only money. Prosperity is everything. Get money, whatever you need, you live with the respect and handsomeness, love between husband and wife, and among the children, beautiful children, prosperous children, those who are educated, wise. So wisdom is also Mahalakshmi. So prosperity is all. It's not in one thing. It's not only money. What type of money you need if some people are targeting your child to kidnap and ask for the ransom? No, we want prosperity with happiness and joy. And I can assure you, I have experienced it. In North America, more than, now the figure has crossed 1,000, those who have given me the feedback, and for the last 10 years. I was propagating it for the last 10 years. So this, with the help of this, families are getting benefit, and they have always told us, we are thankful to you. I said, don't pay thanks to me, pay thanks to the Rishi Munis who found this thing, how the prosperity can come to the earth. Same way it can come to your house.
That's well said. You know, and our emails today that we have to read actually are from people who would like to know how they can do this prosperity.
Yeah, so I have already explained how to do it. Or you can go to my website, and on the top left corner, you can print it, and you can record the sound also. Mahalakshmi Stotra sound is also there. So we have provided everything on the website.
Okay. Well, our first email comes from a couple who is trying to reconnect. We're talking about Rashmi and Abhishek Garg. Rashmi was born on June 29th, 1979 in UP, India at 7:30 p.m. And Abhishek was born on August 15th, 1974, 2:30 p.m. in MP, India. And they've been married for 6 years, but are having troubles in their marriage and want to know if they will be expecting a child anytime soon.
Rashmi, if you are listening, you are born in a Magha Nakshatra, and that's the Gandamula. So, and moon is ruling you at this time. So please get Magha Nakshatra Gandamul Puja done from a degree holder Shastri who knows this thing. Don't take it lightly. Otherwise there is a knot on your destiny. So remove this thing, and after that or before that you can contact us, because Mercury planet is in your death house. So we are to do something for this also. This is a ritual which you have to do 38 days before birthday and 38 days after birthday. So you have to contact us, and we will provide you all these things. And moreover, Sun planet is in your marriage house. There could be some arguments, etc., going on between husband and wife. But there are many other things. Many things come to your mind, beta, when you think of that. But about others, you can guide other people, not yourself. So Magha Nakshatra Gandamul Puja, Tula Dan for this year is a must for you. From this year onward, your muntha is not good, health is not good. There are some obstacles in life. Now come to Abhishek. Mr. Abhishek. Now Abhishek and Rashmi, both of you listen together. Abhishek, your Rahu is in your ascendant and it's debilitated. You are very stubborn. So be mild. And color green, parrot, any Taviz Jantra in the house, any Kabir Jantra, Hanuman Jantra, any Jantra in the house will destroy you people. And your Saturn is in the death house. So we are to get you relieved from that also. And moon is also in the death house, which is Lord of Bhagya, so we have to do something for that also. So there are many things, and never sell gold from the house. Whenever you will sell a gold, even if your wife is pregnant, the pregnancy will dissolve. And always take care of respect your elders and get their blessings. Your Jupiter is very fine. You have got a wonderful parents. And so far as Rashmi is concerned, Rashmi, your enemies cannot survive. They will die automatically. You need not to kill. South, southeast, southwest house is deadly for both of you. Watch it. Watch it, please.
Okay. So do you think...
And both they need the Tuladan. You can call us, but the Tuladan, and we are going to put up that link also on the website. So Tuladan, both of you are to do it.
Okay.
And then you can expect, after cleansing of your horoscope, then you can expect a child. It's not denied. There are 3 children in both of your horoscopes.
Okay. So are they going to make it to their 7-year anniversary?
Yeah, they can, if they do all these remedies.
Okay.
Because we should remove the obstacles to crawl in life. We are all crawling in life. We are not running in life.
Well,
even Obama being president is crawling.
Yeah.
So he's not running.
That's true. There's obstacles in everybody's life.
Okay.
When we come back from our break, we will have the astro forecast, which hopefully will help everybody out, at least with what to look forward to in the coming week. We'll be right back. Hi everyone, welcome back to Astro Guide. Hope that you're enjoying the show. We would like to see your emails in our inbox. So if you have a question for Mr. Kushal, you can send us your date of birth, time of birth, and place of birth. We need those 3 details in order to read your horoscope. The email address is astroguide@globosat.ent.com. That's astroguide@globosat.ent.com. Joining me in this astronomical quest is North America's most famed astrologer, Mr. Puru Kushal.
You are leading a good life with honesty and dedication and devotion towards God. Your forefathers are very happy. Loka samasta sukhino.